Now we draw the thighs. Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
To control a video
Alexa,
device with your
play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Here's something I found on the web. According to Kotaku.com, Super Dragon Ball Heroes is an incredibly popular Japanese arcade trading card game.
Alexa, play Super Dragon Ball Heroes.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission.
Oh, wait a minute. Alexa, play Big Bang Mission.
Here's Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission theme by Mira Jam on Amazon Music.
Now that we got that done, let's move on to the best part of Omnimon Merciful mode. Omnimon Merciful mode has a great gift. After it evolves, he gains the power of the wings of an angel. He gains the wings of an angel. Merciful mode is possibly the transformation of the gods. I'll never forget all those battles, though. I'll never forget all those battles. That's one of them. Now for the other. Here are the wings. Alexa, play Broly vs. Gogeta.
I don't know that.
Alexa, play Broly vs. Gogeta soundtrack.
Broly vs. Gogeta, cover Bear, by Friedrich Hobitler on Amazon Music.
This is it, everyone. There he is. The invincible, merciful mode Omnimon. He transforms from cape to wings. From a hero's cape to angel wings. Now this is something I want to see. Out of all the designs I drew, this one is the best. Definitely the best. Master designers, if you're watching this, I am proud of what we have worked on. There are bigger bosses out there to complete, and if we can complete this one, then we can complete them all. And I'm talking every last one of them. Alright everyone, I'll see you all soon, and good night.